These are the Google Pixel Buds 2a, and they come in 4 different colors. In the box, you're going to get the buds themselves in the case. You're going to get the different size rubber gaskets for the ears, as well as the manual. One of the best features about this is it doesn't matter if you're a Google Pixel phone user, a Samsung Android user, or an iPhone user. Now, even though this is the Buds 2a version, don't be fooled. It's running the same processor, the Tensor A1 chip, that the Pro versions are using. The other thing is, you see that screw down in there, that little tiny screw? Yeah, you can actually remove the screws on both sides and replace the battery in the charging case once the charging case doesn't charge anymore. That's a first of its kind for this. Now, if you're someone that uses a lot of transportation, the active noise canceling on these earbuds, phenomenal. Will chop out about 70 to 80% of all that noise on the outside. The other good thing is, you see this little nub here? That little nub? That's going to help you twist and lock into your ear so they don't fall out. And finally, the sound. The sound is absolutely punchy and balanced. They don't blare out on the highs, and they don't sound like crinkled aluminum cans on the bass. Really, really sharp and intense immersive sound coming from these earbuds. Also, as a bonus, if you're on the Pixel or an Android device, you can just say, "Okay, Google," and you can talk hands-free with Gemini using these buds. The only real downside I could find with these is they're not wireless charging. You can use the same USB Type-C charging cable that comes with your Google Pixel phones or your Android phones. You get about 20 hours of listening time out of these earbuds. Overall, for the value and for the tech that you get in here, yeah, I don't think you can beat these.